This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Nordvpn subscription and that your router supports VPN or Smart DNS. Once done, choose the method. Install VPN on the router for whole network coverage, set up Smart DNS on the router for speed, or create a PC hotspot to share a VPN connection. Make sure you have router admin access, your Xbox IP settings noted, and your Nord credentials ready. This gets you into the configuration phase quickly, without wasting time on basic account setup. Now you configure the chosen path. If installing on the router, upload the OpenVPN or ICAV2 files from Nord and apply DNS changes, then reboot the router to push settings to your Xbox. If you use Smart DNS, enter the provided Nord DNS addresses in router WAN or DHCP fields to reduce latency. For a PC hotspot, run Nordvpn, enable internet connection sharing on the VPN adapter. Then create a hotspot and connect your Xbox to that network. This shares the VPN without touching router firmware. Finish by testing the Xbox connection. Run the network diagnostic and verify the NAT type and DNS reflect the VPN or Smart DNS. If Xbox fails to connect, restart the console to flush DNS or disconnect and reconnect the network. Make sure router settings saved correctly and that the selected Nord server supports required ports. If problems persist, switch to another Nord server or reapply the router configuration. These steps usually resolve routing or DNS mismatches and restore stable gameplay and online services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.